Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell.
Hey everyone, the OnePlus Ace 6T has officially dropped today. It's funny because Apple only just brought a 120Hz refresh rate to the standard iPhone models, but OnePlus is already pushing things even further with a massive leap to 165Hz. And it's not just a spec on paper, this phone is literally leading the charge into the ultra-high refresh era. The Ace 6T is basically the spark that kicked off the whole 165Hz movement. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Design-wise, the Ace 6T follows the same family look as the regular Ace 6, sticking to OnePlus's clean, refined style. The flash black version we're using comes with a silk glass back, something OnePlus is known for. It has that smooth, velvety finish that feels great in the hand, and even if your palms get sweaty, it still manages to resist fingerprints surprisingly well. Beyond the back panel, you can see OnePlus paid attention to the small details too, like the sturdy aluminum alloy frame and the metal camera ring. What's cool is that the camera module blends perfectly with the overall design, and those rounded golden corners really elevate the visuals. Flipping to the front, this is where the Ace 6T shows off one of its biggest highlights, a 165Hz gaming display, something you won't find on any other phone in this segment. Compared to the usual 120Hz displays, this one can push out 45 extra frames every single second, making gameplay look noticeably smoother. And it's not just about refresh rate either. This panel supports 10-bit color and Pro XDR, and in our tests, the full screen white brightness hit 900 nits, with peak brightness shooting past 2000 nits in certain areas. Under the display, OnePlus added a nice surprise: an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It unlocks faster, responds better, and even handles accidental touches more accurately. Speaking of accidental touches, the Ace 6T includes Rain Touch 2.0, which means you can still use the screen even when there are water droplets on it. The phone also comes with top-tier protection ratings like IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K, so dust, splashes, and rough weather are basically no threat. Alright, enough about the display. Let's talk power. At its core, the OnePlus Ace 6T is running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 flagship chipset. It shares the same TSMC 3rd Gen 3nm process as the Snapdragon 8 Elite, as well as Qualcomm's custom 3rd generation Orion CPU architecture and their latest Adreno GPU design. More specifically, this platform includes 2 high-performance 3.8 GHz Orion L cores and 6 3.2 GHz Orion M efficiency cores. But raw hardware is only half the story. Performance also depends on tuning, and OnePlus has directly integrated its brand new Wind Chaser gaming engine into the chip's core. This tackles unnecessary performance loss right at the source, reducing lag and heat buildup in gaming. So let's jump into the gaming tests. We tested the phone in a 25-degree room with brightness set to 200 nits. First up, Honor of Kings. With everything maxed out, after 1 hour of ranked gameplay, the average frame rate landed at 121.7 FPS, using about 3.5 watts of power and draining just 11% of the battery. To push things harder, we ran Genshin Impact at max settings for 30 minutes using the early morning and night dual frame resonance mode inside the virtual city area. The final average frame rate came in at 60.8 FPS, with power consumption at 3.9 watts and total battery drain at only 5%. By the end, the phone measured 38 degrees Celsius on the front and 38.3 degrees Celsius on the back. Looking at core usage during the test, neither of the 2 Orion L supercores were even activated, and the Orion M efficiency cores never went above 30%. And even with that, Genshin maintained a full frame rate smoothly. Alright, now let's really see how far this phone can go. With all graphics settings maxed out, we ran the map test for a full 30 minutes during peak hours. The OnePlus Ace 6T pulled off an average frame rate of 59.3 FPS, with power consumption sitting at just 5.9 watts, and the total battery drop was only 10%. By the end of the session, the device measured 42.6 degrees Celsius on the front and 42.4 degrees Celsius on the back. Even under this heavy load, the Ace 6T still didn't touch its 2 Orion L supercores. Compared to the Genshin Impact test, where only the 2 Orion M efficiency cores ramped up slightly to maintain nearly full-frame gameplay, this was pretty impressive. Since the Ace 6T supports exclusive 165 FPS ultra-high frame rate titles through the E+ ecosystem, we tested that next. We picked Triangle Action, which already runs at 165 FPS in Genshin Impact. Running a full 30-minute session in Fire and Wind mode, the Ace 6T delivered an average of 164.4 FPS while drawing just 4.3 watts and using only 6% of the battery. By the time the test ended, the device's temperature stayed around 39 Celsius in the front and 39.3 degrees Celsius in the back. What's interesting is how the performance scheduling behaves in the 165 FPS mode. The CPU becomes much more proactive, engaging both Orion L supercores to keep the gameplay incredibly smooth, while the remaining 6 Orion N efficiency cores sit at around 10% usage or even lower, helping to keep heat under control. Even in these demanding scenarios, the Ace 6T kept its temperature hovering around 40 degrees. A big part of this stability comes from the Ice Core cooling system, which has a massive 43,940 millimeter thermal area. It helps maintain strong performance and keeps the device comfortable to hold during long gaming sessions. Now, strong performance isn't just about raw power. Battery life and charging matter just as much. The OnePlus Ace 6T packs a huge 8300 mAh battery paired with 100-watt wired super fast charging. In our endurance test, 4 hours of gaming plus 3 commonly used apps, the phone still had 62% battery left. For charging, we measured 62% in 30 minutes and a full charge in 53 minutes. The phone also supports side-mounted charging, which helps reduce heat while gaming and charging at the same time. Plus, it works with mainstream fast charging standards like 36-watt PD and 55-watt PPS. So even without the original charger, you can still enjoy rapid charging. Moving on to the cameras, the Ace 6T uses a 50 megapixel Sony IMX906 main sensor with a 1.56-inch size, paired with Oppo's flagship level imaging algorithms. It captures smooth, natural-looking photos with real-time blur effects, and thanks to the dual-engine ColorOS 16, the overall experience stays fast and fluid in every scenario. It even plays nicely with Apple devices, letting you answer calls and view SMS notifications from your iPhone, making it handy for users in mixed ecosystems. As for pricing, the base model of the OnePlus Ace 6T starts at 3699 yuan in China, which is roughly £394 in the UK, or around $523 in the US. To wrap things up, the OnePlus Ace 6T's 165Hz gaming display has officially kicked off a new wave of ultra-high refresh rate phones. With the debut of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 flagship platform and the next-gen Feng Shui gaming engine, it delivers stable 165 FPS performance while staying budget-friendly. It's easily one of the best value options right now for anyone who wants a true high-refresh gaming experience. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.